Unlike nylon locking nuts, the all-metal lock nut is suitable for applications in high-temperature environments, which means you might find one of these in a heat exchanger or in engine blocks. From this side, it's easy to mistake it for a standard hex nut, but turn it over and we can see that on the top it has a triangular stamp mark that's the result of a mechanical punching process. This is what makes this lock nut work, as the compressed top threads of the nut create a tight fastening when it's installed onto a bolt, with increased friction and resistance to loosening. But because of this, a disadvantage is that they are not designed to be reusable, so once installed, that nut wants to stay put. So, if you've got any tips on using locking nuts, leave a comment below to let us know. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and share it. You can also follow us on social media or subscribe to the YouTube channel, remembering to click the bell to stay notified for more tutorials and announcements. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And let us know, what can you build?